I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to create an account on eToro, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the eToro website. Go to the official eToro website. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click on Join Now. On the homepage, find and click the Join Now button. This will take you to the registration form. Step 3. Fill out your information. Enter your personal details such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure your password is strong for security. Step 4. Verify your account. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Note, sometimes the email can end up in your spam folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it. Step 5. Complete your profile. Log into your account and complete your profile by providing additional information like your address and financial background. This is important for compliance. Now you're all set to start trading on eToro. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy trading!